Hey guys, Shifter here, welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to be going over exactly how to get free shoes from the GOAT Sneakers app. A lot of people have been asking me ever since the StockX video to make a follow-up on other sneaker apps, and don't worry guys, I got you. But something else that I got you with is brand new videos every single week, so I highly recommend subscribing and liking the video. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into it. When you guys first get on the GOAT website, you'll come across something looking like this. Personally, I'm not a big fan of this interface. It's super small and just way too much going on, but you want to find a sneaker that you're looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and pick out this pair right here, a pair of the fire red Jordan 4s. So let's go ahead and check them out. The next thing you want to do is find your size. There's a bunch of different sizes that you can pick from, but I'm going to go ahead and pick size 10. So you'll find a bunch of different things here: buy new, buy used, and you can also make an offer, which are all great options. But you're looking for buy used, or you could actually make an offer if you're looking to get the price down. So in terms of used sneakers, typically people are only wearing these a couple of times, so this is how you can get the price even lower. But I do recommend making offers on some of these sneakers because a lot of these sellers are just kind of desperate to sell, especially if it's an unpopular shoe. So obviously the Jordan 4 Fire Red isn't really a good example of this because a lot of people really like this one. So it's going to say set the price you are willing to pay, and you could literally choose whatever you want, but keep in mind you do have to be reasonable. You can message the seller individually, and this is typically how I'm able to go to get a huge discount on GOAT sneakers, simply by lowballing people. A lot of people are not a big fan of this, but most people are just looking to get rid of their shoes, and this is how everyone's getting a lot of their sneakers for dirt cheap, and I highly recommend using this method. GOAT also does have coupon codes, but it's really rare that they are giving them out, so unfortunately we can't really save money in that regard. But I do want to show you guys another method on how to get these shoes for pretty much cheaper, so let's go ahead and check it out. So what you want to do is click the link down in the description below, and it's going to take you guys to the Affirm app, and it's basically a buy now pay later app, which is going to allow you guys to pretty much get the shoes now and you can pay it off later. There are methods to go ahead and bypass this system, but I can't really get into it in this video. But a lot of people actually know about this, but I do recommend just paying it back. And honestly, it's better probably to get the shoes now if you have like some type of event or some place to go. A lot of people do this all the time, and I do recommend downloading Affirm. Unfortunately, this method only works in the USA because I believe Affirm is only available there. But if you guys are actually in the US, then this is probably a perfect method for you. For our next method, it's going to be to download Adapole. Adapole is pretty much a great paid survey app that allows you guys to make as much money as you want. Once you guys make your account, you want to type in the referral code dbfcm. That code will be giving you guys a free 50 cents. And honestly, who doesn't like free money? As you can see, I have over $110 inside of my balance, and it was pretty easy to go ahead and get this by completing some of the surveys. If you guys want to put in the referral code just in case you forgot, you can head over to the last tab, scroll down to where it does say enter referral code, and you guys will be on your way to making some quick and easy money. But you guys could actually cash out via a bunch of different payment options such as gift cards, but we're not really here for gift cards because we're looking for GOAT sneakers. You can see that there's Amazon gift cards, they have Home Depot, they have Fanatics, ASOS, and Walmart. But what we're here for is going to be the PayPal option, which we can use directly on GOAT, which is really good, and we'll be able to go ahead and get our sneakers in no time. They also do have the option for charity, and you can cash out directly to your Revolut debit card. I probably will make a video on Revolut pretty soon because I know a lot of you guys have been asking questions. The surveys are actually pretty easy to go ahead and complete. Anybody can do them, and I highly recommend checking them out. They don't take any time at all. Back to the payments, they pretty much happen instantaneously. The max I had to wait was about 1 hour, which honestly isn't a bad wait time. There is a minimum payout of $3, so if you guys are interested in this app, you have to put in a little bit of work to get a payout, but $3 is honestly nothing compared to the cost of a sneaker, and this is pretty much how I'm able to go ahead and afford so many of my sneakers that I have, such as these Balenciaga runners that I recently picked up. I know what you guys are probably saying, these sneakers are absolutely ugly, but I actually had to pick these up because they're absolutely insane, just ridiculous. Got them in a size 44, and they look really clean. They don't really fit me, so I may have to go ahead and put these back up on the GOAT app, but overall I'm pretty happy with the results that I got from Adapole. For our next app, it's going to be Eureka. Eureka is a perfect paid survey app that I highly recommend checking out. As you guys can see, I already made around $112, and you guys can do it too. If you guys first sign up for the app, you want to head over to the section where it does say referrals, and you want to type in the code GUDW4I. That code will be giving you guys a free dollar survey to complete, and it's pretty much free money. The surveys don't take long at all, and one thing that I do want to mention is you do want to answer these as truthfully as possible. If not, then you may actually get disqualified from these, which is not a good thing at all. So keep in mind, make sure to go ahead and read all the questions, don't answer them randomly, and they may actually ban you from the app if you just keep answering randomly, which is just not good. They also do have the opportunity for you guys to play games as well, so you can see that I can go ahead and play like Raid Shadow Legends, Candy Crush, and so on, to go ahead and make a decent amount of money simply by playing games. Honestly, there is no excuse for not making money in 2023, and you guys are going to get your sneakers from GOAT in no time. But let's go to take a look at their rewards real quick. So you can see that they do have a bunch of different ones, but the one that we're looking for is going to be PayPal, Visa gift cards, or the bank transfer option, because those are all options that we can use on GOAT sneakers. There's other options such as Panera Bread, Starbucks, and so on. They even have Texas Roadhouse on here, and they even have charity. If you guys actually are feeling charitable, you guys can go ahead and do that too. But the only comparison to Adapole is the minimum cash out is a little bit higher, so you will need to go ahead and get to $5 compared to $3, so keep that in mind if you guys are looking to go ahead and get a quick and easy cash out. But don't worry guys, I do have one more method for you because you don't want to miss out on this one. It's actually going to be the download Cash App, and honestly I've been making a lot of money off of this app and it's pretty profitable. So let's go ahead and take a look at Cash App, and you guys want to go ahead and download it and make a brand new account. This is actually very important. And then once you guys have it installed, you need to put in the referral code V8TM6S6. That code will be giving you guys a free $5 when you guys sign up for a brand new Cash App account. And honestly, who doesn't like free money? I highly recommend it. But the only twist is you have to send $5 to a friend or family member, and then $5 is going to appear in your Cash App balance. You guys could try it for yourselves. I already made $40 today using this method. As you can see, $40 is about to be deposited into my Cash App balance, which is absolutely insane. That could pretty much buy me some food for today, so I'm pretty happy about that. But you're probably wondering, what does this have to do with GOAT sneakers? Let me show you. So if you head over to the cash card option, you can easily get discounts on different apps. Unfortunately, they don't have GOAT sneakers on here, but they do have Nike, Adidas, and even Under Armour, where you can obtain yourself some Stephen Curry shoes on Under Armour. Honestly guys, I don't know if Stephen Curry is with Under Armour still. I remember at one point he was. I remember getting a pair of those in high school, but I do believe that you can go ahead and get a discount on Nike, which is a good thing because you can buy them directly from the Nike shop and get 5% off. And the best part about this is it's going to be for every single order that you purchase with your cash card. But remember, you do have to add the offer to go ahead and get the discount. But anyways guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed and were able to go ahead and get a huge discount on GOAT sneakers. But I'll see you guys next time on the next video for Shiftery Reviews. Bye.